Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Open the hood and set the prop. Locate the grille fasteners on the 2015 Nissan Altima. Start by prying up 6 plastic push clips with a flat trim tool. Use a 10mm socket to remove 4 10mm bolts along the top edge. Work from left to right, keeping removed clips and bolts in a small container. If your model has emblem wiring or a sensor connector, unplug it by releasing the tab before attempting to lift the grille straight out to avoid stressing clips. With fasteners removed and connectors unplugged, lift the grille straight out, angling slightly to clear lower tabs. Lay the old grille on a clean surface and inspect every mounting tab and the bumper retainer for cracks or deformation. Check emblem hardware and sensor mounts, replace any broken clips or bent retainers. New OEM-style push clips or retainers are inexpensive, often under each, and prevent future fitment issues. Clean the mating surfaces and remove old adhesive or dirt before fitting the replacement. Position the replacement grille by first aligning the lower tabs into the bumper openings and pressing them home. This ensures a correct base fit. Once lower tabs are seated, align the top edge and install 4 10mm bolts loosely, then press in 6 push clips along the top. Tighten the bolts snugly with a 10mm socket. Do not over-torque plastic threads, and reconnect any emblem wiring or sensors. Close the hood and inspect gaps around headlights and bumper. Test drive briefly to confirm there is no rattling or misalignment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.